I wanted to talk about this vision I have of dissolving, blurring nation-state borders and just literally using my vessel to be like a migratory bird. And it is a great privilege that I even get to do this, where this could be completely out of the question, life-threatening, dangerous for so many people. But just utilizing my circumstances, my positionality to just counter these borders, these state borders that are just, created to keep us in control, and this vision of weaving across the Pacific, weaving Asia and Asian America, Japanese America and Japan, and ancestral, ways with the diasporic ways. And it's a huge thing to say I'm embarking on doing. So most of the time I'm just like, I don't know. I'm just trying to make it to today. And it's only been a little over a month since I've been here now in Osaka, Japan. Well, in this particular moment I'm in Kobe, but to go meet the water. I could do it in Osaka, but the closest one to me right now is in Kobe. And what do I want to say about it? The process of expanding home is sounds really beautiful and grand, and I think it is, but there's no way around the heart's feelings and yearnings around coming and going, encountering and departing. And yesterday I was in this beautiful contact improv workshop in Kyoto, hosted by some really beautiful people and yelders whom I really respect and admire. And this theme of really savoring the departing and the making space from, and the distance between, and how human it is to feel into the yearning, the sadness of that, and just that raw human emotion, to allow for the depth of the space between to be felt. And I found myself improvising this dance of where parts of the floor became Turtle Island, and then Japan where I am, and feeling into the complex feelings around I don't want to leave. I'm gonna just wiggle myself just a few millimeters and just stay here, and then looking back on the spot where I was before, being I missed that spot, but then something's pulling me over here. And then doing that for a long time, all the way till I went to the other side of the room, and then constantly looking backwards, looking forwards, and being in the in-between third, and feeling the tug and pull. And as I was doing that and wrapping up my process, one of the elder teachers was starting to make contact with me and dancing, and I burst into tears, and hopefully didn't startle the whole room, but I really couldn't control myself, and I was just bursting into tears at the raw emotion of embodying this into movement, and just integrating that, wanting to share those sentiments with the ocean today and with you. Lots of love from on this side of the Pacific Ocean.